Hi, Xavier in the bottom of the garden. Surprise, surprise. Just like to do a quick update. A couple of people have actually asked me how my my apples, Zita's apples, got on. For those of you who've seen, it's been mentioned a couple of times, and I think in one of my early videos I showed you the repot of this, and it was in quite a bad way. But yeah, so I thought I'd give you a spin now. I'm actually going to do a little bit of wiring on it. So this is just going to be part of the progression of this one. But no, I'm really happy so far. What is clear though, a shadow of a doubt I mentioned before, I think I kept this for a while. There was a branch there. Well, I got rid of it. This little bud here that I hoped would grow hasn't yet. And to be fair, all the energy's going up there, so it probably won't. So with a view of that, just giving that a spin. What will probably happen is I'll do more cutting back on this eventually, but not right now. Front could actually be on this direction though. But what I will do, just take it around. Happy with the growth. I've kept spraying it regularly to avoid bugs. Looks like there's a bit of curl, leaf curling here at the extremities. A little bit of browning off the tips of some of these leaves. Probably getting warmer weather, maybe that's related to that, or there may still be some slight issue with the root, just not quite there yet. But to be fair, this time of the year it's not unusual to see that. So I'll do some root pruning, but what I am going to do is have a little look. I mean, they're quite slight, but a little look of just wiring a little bit of movement or something just to cover this side. So you'll get to see that in super duper flash motion. And some nice instrumental music, which I do like it. I found that, I don't know, it sort of sounds a bit oriental. So it gives you a sense of the exotic while I'm doing something which is probably quite monotonous, tedious and boring. But anyway, I'll do that for you now. So I'm going to just wire this one, straighten it down, and then I want to bring this around. So they're the two ones I'm wiring. Hopefully I've picked the right. Okay, so I've got to make a decision about front actually. And I've got a nice pad there. That will come out as a nice pad, bring out some three-dimensionality there. We've got these, so we've got two coming from the same point. But I don't need to deal with that right now. So then I've got that. Now, I'm not sure that this wire is good enough to That's the only thing with this. Yeah, just don't like the look of bending with this. I need a bit of heavier wire to do what I want to do. this is where you piggyback on some existing wire. You just follow it around. You have to be, it's all about, part of the skill is presentation. When people look at this tree, you know, it's a bonsai, so they sort of expect wire. But, you know, where you can, and I appreciate there are times when you can't be absolutely brilliant on your wiring, where you can, you should really try and make it neat and pleasant on the eye. So as I say, I just follow the existing wire around. That's a pretty solid piece, not a lot I can do with that, to be honest. It's more about anchoring this one, but just introduced a little bit of movement in there. Well, so there you go. I'm going to clean up the weeds, but that's all you need to see for there. It's just putting a bit of character into the tree, and to be fair, you can only do that in quick time with wire. And already it's filled out when you compare it to what it looked like before. So from Zita's apple and little froggy, I'll say ciao, and I'm just looking at the host of junipers, which I've got a wire, and I'm really not looking forward to that one. It's not my favourite tree, and I'm sure you've heard me say that a few times. Cheers.